1978 Ford F-150 Ranger. Got power steering system that doesn't leak now. Got the new pump on. That's pretty nice, pretty good. So now we do have a truck that's running, and I guess it's going out of the shop again. Definitely not finished with the project, but it's summertime and we got a lot of work to do, so we're gonna need this truck. But now you got heater core, radiator system, cooling system that doesn't leak, and you got power steering, and you have a good running engine. So now we got a nice truck. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.